Hello friends, I'm Ehsan from ebangaloreproperty.com and presenting you lavish home number 7, luxurious independent brand new house in Banshankari extension, close to RR Nagar and Banshankari, centrally located, north facing 30 by 40 BDA Ekhata site, 4 BHK house with additional gym room, separate servant quarters which can be used as a home office, 2 to 3 car parking, central lift connecting all the floors. So directly I am showing you the main house which starts from the first floor. Later I will show you the ground floor. So in the entrance you can see this grand teakwood, heavy teakwood main door with brass fittings, 3 side windows. All doors and windows are all of solid teakwood. Italian marble flooring has been done throughout the house. Veneer polished interior work. You can see this living room, wall paneling work has been done, and beautiful POP and CNC fall ceiling work with LED lighting. Central lift 6 passenger capacity connecting all the floors. This is dining area. Below the steps storage is there. Around the lift also wooden wall paneling has been done. Provision has been done for home automation and video door phone. You can install the security system. So POP fall ceiling and wooden fall ceiling work. North facing site, east facing entrance. As per Vastu, kitchen is in the southeast corner. Modular kitchen. Attached utility. Very good use of space has been done. Minimum wastage of space. So all the floors you will see lots of usable space. So this is kitchen. Soft closing baskets, granite platform, granite partition, and this is utility area. Additional sink is there, secured with safety grill. And this is puja room, north facing. Complete wall cladding has been done. Solid teakwood door. And in the southwest corner there is one bedroom, next to that common bathroom. Countertop hand wash basin will be installed here. Full mirror is given. Bathrooms will have Jaguar and Hindware brand of fittings. If you notice, even for the bathroom, solid teakwood door has been provided. Traditional and high quality construction. This is first bedroom, smaller room, sliding doors for the wardrobe, complete veneer work, durable veneer work with polish. Now I'll take you to the upper floor. 2 shades of marble has been used for the staircase. Razor separate and floor separate. Teakwood railing with glass. Now we have reached the second floor. Second floor has a study unit in the center and 2 large bedrooms with attached bathrooms. Property has Kaveri water, own borewell, and this is the study unit. As I mentioned, it's a new property, work is going on. Property comes with 3 cots, complimentary, 3 bedrooms with built-in cots, matching the wardrobes. Storage space is also there. This is veneer PU polish. TV unit is there. Glass and wood fall ceiling work. Dressing area and attached bathroom. This is master bedroom in the southwest corner. At the end, shower area separate, anti-skid flooring, and wall mounted toilet. This is the third bedroom. Again comes with the cot, also balcony, as it is a roadside facing bedroom. Totally 4,400 square feet of super built up area. Lift has 4 landings. All four floors are connected with the lift. So this is the balcony in the northeast corner. Complete granite cladding has been done for the entire balcony. And here is the attached bathroom. Property is ready to occupy. You can move in within 10 to 15 days. Only final finishing work is pending. 60 to 70% bank loan is available on this property if you want to take home loan. Very comfortable house, connected to the main road. You can reach Banashankari, Outer Ring Road, Kanakpura Road, Mysore Road, central location. In the description I will give the details. You can also call on the number for inspection. Now we have reached the top floor, that is third floor. Third floor has one more master bedroom and spare room which can be used as a home gym, yoga room, anything. So this is another master bedroom. Again comes with cot, wardrobe, TV unit, dressing and attached bathroom. All 3 side setback space has been left, and that is the main reason you see lots of windows on all the sides. And this is the additional room, can be used as a gym, yoga room, anything as per your requirement. Comes with full open grill work for one side of the wall, and here is a open terrace area with canopy on top, granite flooring, spiral staircase going upstairs. In the terrace above you have lift room and overhead tank room in the southwest corner. Now we have come back to the ground floor. You can see the main entrance here, meter box outside, side door entering the garage. And many people ask me what is the security for the lift. So here is the security for the lift. This car parking is completely closed. Only people with keys and locking access will come and enter this lift area. So this is the lift room, lift entrance, and separate 1 BHK unit here in the ground floor. Kitchen, hall, room and bathroom. If you have servants, maid or servant living along with you, you can use this as a servant room, or you can have it as a home office. Now with work from home, this is a separate space with privacy for your work from home office. All of the details are given in the description. Thank you for watching this video. Do subscribe our channel for latest properties.